Hello, Math 96. This is your agenda for today, November 20th. So today we're going to do notes number 39, multiply polynomials. The essential question is, how does the box method help us multiply polynomials? And by the end of today, you should be able to say that you can use the box method to organize your math when you multiply polynomials. Later today, after you're done with the notes, make up any missing work. And make sure you add those images to your digital workbook because we're going to be grading this weekend. And make sure you email us if it's old work that you're making up, okay? All right, thank you. Okay, this is your current table of contents for triad number 3. We should have notes and homework from yesterday and then the notes from today. So notes 37, homework 38 out of the textbook, and notes number 39. And listen, if you guys are having any issues with your Chromebook camera, please call the school, make an appointment to get a new Chromebook because your Chromebook camera should be working. Okay, here we go. So on a piece of paper, you need to label notes number 39 in the top left of your notes. And then if you can write down the steps to multiply binomials. Step 1, so you can hit pause here. Go ahead and write it down so you can hit pause. So you should have already written all of this down. You're going to, step 1, draw a box. Step 2, write out the terms on the top and the side of the box. And I'll show you how to do that. Step 3 is you're going to multiply into the box. And step 4, you're going to collect like terms on the diagonal. And diagonal means it's a line that's, oops, let's see if my pen is going to want to work today. A diagonal means this way, right? That's a diagonal line on a slant. Okay, before we get started, I want to make sure you know one thing, which you should. So how much is x times x? That equals x squared. How much is x plus x? I know you could get the right answer if I asked you how much is 4x plus 2x. That's 6x. How much is, there's hidden ones there, so x plus x is 2x. These two items right here, kids get confused all the time. Kids always give me this right. 4x plus 2x is equal to 6x. They always get that one right. But you got to remember, x times x is x squared. And then when we say 1x plus 1x, or just x plus x, that's equal to 2x. So if you can keep that straight, that will help you here, okay? All right, so hit pause and write down these two problems and then draw the boxes. Hit pause. Okay, step 1 is to draw your box. Step 2 is to write your terms on the outside of the box. So I'm going to just choose, it doesn't really matter, but I'm going to choose the a plus 9 and put it up here, and you have to write a and then plus 9. And then on the other side, I'm going to write a and then plus 1. So I need you to do that. And then all we're going to do is we're going to multiply. So you should have seen this as a Punnett square in your science class. So we're going to take this a and I'm going to go this way. And after that, I'm going to take the 1 and I'm going to go this way. All right? So watch, and here we go. So we're going to go a times a is a squared. A times 9 is positive 9a. So I'm going across with those arrows. Now I'm going to go this way. 1 times a is positive 1a. And I'm going to go across 1 times that 9 is positive 9. Okay, and then your next step is to collect like terms on the diagonal. These are the terms on the diagonal, and you can go ahead and add those up because it's 1a plus 9a, right? This term, the front term, and the back term, oh, sorry about that. Hit my eraser at the same time that I hit that. There we go. So the front term and the back term, we're just going to write down, and then we're going to add up on the diagonal. So a squared, I'm going to write down my front term. My back term is a 9, and I'm going to add up my diagonal and put it in the middle. 1a plus 9a is 10a. And that is our final answer. Let's do it again. Let's do it on the next problem. There we go. Okay, I'm going to write this one down the top. So x negative 5, this one on the side, x negative 4, and then I'm going to multiply. So like we said before, how much is x times x? X squared. How much is x times negative 5? Negative 5x. Now the negative 4 times the top x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 5 is positive 20. So you're multiplying. Negative times negative is positive. So I'm going to bring down the front term. Oops, not with that color though. I'm going to bring down the front term and the back term, and then I'm going to add up the like terms. So x squared comes down, 20 is the back, and then add up the like terms. And how much is negative 4x minus 5x more? It's negative 9x. And that would be our final answer. So the box keeps you organized. Okay, we'll go on to another one. If you can write down these two, and then we'll be done. Draw your boxes and hit pause while you do that. Hit pause on the video. Okay, so here we go. So again, x times x is x squared. X times 6 is positive 6x, and you have to write the positive sign. I'll take the negative 6 times the x, and the negative 6 times a positive 6, so negative 6 times positive 6 is negative 36. 6 times 6 is 36, and a negative times a positive is negative, right? So I'm going to bring down my front term and my back term. So x squared and negative 36. And then I'm going to add up the diagonals. How much is 6x minus 6x? Well, that's 0x, but nobody writes 0x. So the answer is just x squared minus 36, because 0x is nothing. And that's your answer. There's no middle term. There's no middle term there. Don't forget to write your square. Okay, and then this one just has numbers in the front. So just 2x times 4x is 8x squared. 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. 5 times 4x is positive 20x. And 5 times the negative 1 over 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Okay, so here's the front term. This is your front. So that's 8x squared. This is your back. Negative 5. And the middle is right here. What's 20x's minus 2x's? That's 18x's. There we go, final answer. All right, make sure that you get all your work uploaded to your digital workbook number 3, including these notes. And we hope you have a great break. Thank you.